Hey guys, welcome again on my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will review on Amazfit Beep Lite. So please watch this video till the end. Please like this video and subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon for more interesting videos. Is the Amazfit Beep Lite the best fitness tracker for those on a budget? Amazfit recently launched its Beep Lite wearable in India priced at 3,999 rupees. This model is more affordable than the Amazfit Beep, which was priced at 5,499 rupees at launch. The new wearable claims 45 days of a battery life on a single charge and is capable of heart rate and sleep tracking. This device also supports activity tracking, which should help you log your runs. The main difference between the two models is that unlike its more expensive sibling, the Beep Lite lacks integrated GPS GLONASS with so many affordable fitness wearables already on the market. Does the Amazfit Peak Lite have enough in terms of features, and does it deliver the performance and accuracy we are looking for? Amazfit Peak Lite design and specifications. The name says it all, does not it? This is a toned down version of the Amazfit Bip and has a similar design. The device has a squarish face with chunky bezels on all sides. The Amazfit has plastered its name on the space below the screen. The Beep Light has a 1.28-inch reflective always on display with Corning Gorilla Glass 3. It also seems to have an oleo oleofolic coating which helps keep fingerprints off. There is a single button on the beep light on the right side, which is the wake up and back button. You have to swipe on the display to navigate through the UI of the watch. At the back it has a heart rate sensor and two pins for charging. The Amazfit Beep Light comes with a strap made out of silicone. These 20 straps are replaceable, and you can swap them with other compatible bands of the same width. The supplied straps have a watch-like clasp which makes it easy to wear and reduce the chances of the device accidentally coming off. Amazfit uses a proprietary charger for the Beep Light. It's quite large and looks a lot like a dock for the watch on to rest in wheel. It charges wheel. We don't like proprietary charges. The Beep Light claims incredible battery life, which prevent which should prevent low battery NXT. We found the Amazfit Beep Light to be comfortable, weighing just 32 grams. You will barely notice it on your wrist while wearing it, and we could sleep with it on for the trekking without discomfort. And the beep light is compatible with both Android as well as iOS, and used it we use it with a Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus for the duration of this test. Amazfit Beep Light software. The Amazfit Lift Light It requires the Amazfit app on your smartphone.